shirt on. Shit. I feel like Ozzy's gonna do that. Yeah, okay, that's good. Should I make sure of something? Oops. There we go. Where is the config file? I don't even have it. Yeah, it's interesting. Alright, fix that. Let me see who's on the stream. Anyone? Yeah, sure. Zero viewers. Sick. Alright, let me change the stream name. So, what are we doing right now? We're working on app. iOS app. Cool. So update. Oh, I was gonna say hashtag programming. Alright, so. Oh, you can hear it. Where's the music that I had? Music? Open in all tabs. Oh god. This may have been a mistake. No? Gimme. Yeah, that's the one. Alright. Not that one. How's this? That one's good. I don't need all these open. I want to keep that one. That was an extra. I wanted to read about that. I also wanted to learn about that.
Hello, programmers. Thank you for.
Did I? No, I don't read that. Okay. There you go. Sick. Alright. Anyone here? Yeah. Does that load correctly? It maybe does. Yeah, it does. Cool. Now let's grab the title. Submit. Ready. Alright, I don't know how long I'm gonna stream for, but I will stream for some indeterminate amount of time. Alright, so I guess what do I do with this? I guess I need like a SQL or something. What do they use that at SQL? Hello, person. How's it going? TurfTac didn't use it. I don't think. No, TurfTac used SQL. MySQL. Oh, I think it looks like it did. Yes. Perfect. Alright. Let's not open the config file on screen. Let's see. Alrighty. So I guess we'll new Python file config.py. Let's drag this out. Alright, so we're gonna create a debug equals true. I don't know if you guys can see this. So that'll just be for testing for a little bit. Migrate repo, no, I don't need that. Yep. And then make sure this is enabled. Cool. Threads per page. That's probably useful for testing, maybe. Alright, and then, is that it? Oh, and then, we will, where's the init file? Here. Drag it back. So, instead of that, db equals, how did I do it? Oh, never mind. That would never even worked. That's stupid of me. Alright, let's run this, see if it works. Where's my run file? Do I not have a run file? What the fuck? What is this project? Alright. Requirements. Yeah, there does not seem to be a run. Where's config? Config should not be there. Hold on. So this is the problem with GUIs. Can't do anything with them. I'll make it bigger so you guys can see it. CD. Where am I going? Go back. There's no run file. Touch. Run that. From grid back or app. And then app dot the GUI we go. Run. Cannot import app token. Wow. From config. I broke my config. Jeez. Is my laptop dead? Oh, my laptop's dead too. I can't even get the config off. 1 second. Yep. Alright, here we go. Cables I'll never use. Probably not the time to organize. All right. Got the charger. I think. Please don't be switched. It's not. Alright. We got the charger. Where's my headphones? Okay. What's up? So right now. Oh, everyone's gone. Whatever. We come and go. Where's that config file? sh 192.168.1.227. Let's sign in. I can't be in. I have to be SFTP. There's a CD development and then grid. No. I don't think I changed anyone here. I did. Alright. Grid back, models. What did I change? That doesn't look very different than my current models file. Oh shit, this is more up. That was the more updated version. Uh-oh. Alright, git status, git add grid back. Git update model. I'm gonna squish so many commits. Alright, so what was I just trying to do? Trying to get the config file. With the app token, I think. So grid back server. Where? Oh no. I deleted it. Shit. Okay, I recently renamed the project, and so I made a new repository for it. Or I renamed the repository, and then I cloned it again and then deleted the old copy, so now I don't have some of the files that I didn't commit, which is the config file, because you wouldn't commit that to GitHub, but now I don't have the shit. Let me see if my partner's awake. Hangouts is not. Hangouts is not. Hangouts.google.com. Let's get hex chat connect. We're not reconnected. Oh, free node. Oh. Ah, hide, spooky. Alright, network, edit. Let's do. Why isn't this work? Connect. Right, we are good to go. Sorry, I just rebooted into Linux, so I have like nothing open. This. Why am I even using? Look at this command line Google Chats. You awake? Right. And if not, he's awake now. Sorry. My friend's asking for like help with evading phone tracking. Oh, I don't know. Alright, so he's probably not awake, so I'm gonna have to like just say fuck it and make some random thing up. So in here, this would be grid back. I can change that. So I gotta copy, config, thing, paste equals ABC123. Change this later. Right. Do I have Postman? I have to test post request with this. Oh my God, Chrome, please. Oh, now this opens up. Google, please. I need to make this pop out. I need to make the chat pop out so if anyone talks, which there's only one other person here, and I can see it. Alright. Okay, close that. That's an empty terminal. Okay. From config import grid app token 14J. Cool. I don't need a login manager, I just need the database stuff. So, run. Does that not run? Class gridbacks model.model does not have a table or table name specified and does not inherit from an existing table mapped class. Alright. Well, that means that this... I don't feel like you guys will be able to see much of this if I don't make it big. Settings... Appearance... I guess I'm just... Hold on, I'm just gonna make the text, like, font size a little bit bigger. Because last time people complained about this. If I was on, like, a small screen, is that hard to see? It's not impossible to see. It's a little small, but I still read it. I think. Alright, so for some reason, whenever I inherit this from this, it like it just does something dumb. So I don't know. I'd rather not learn how to deal with it right now. Just fix it later. So it'd be a simple fix. Oh, I gotta get rid of it too. Obviously. Whoa, hello. Again. Let's run. Model's not defined, of course not. We've done model, 13 down, model, 16. Cool. Let's run. Alright, cool. No more errors. All of the models are created. So now we go into grid back. SQLite 3, DB, tables. Show tables? What is it? Show. Get a new window. SQLite, please. Oh, dot tables. I remember that. Contract person provider. No, it doesn't say that. I guess it does. We don't need that anymore. So one-to-one contract and company. Then it's one-to-one person to contract. So one-to-one personal contact, contract to person, contract person. And then that contract has a person associated with it and a provider, and a current expiry date does not match self.provider dot expiry my wrist is so tired. Where's that thing? Cool. Alright, got a wrist rest. Whatever you say, puppy. So what's my task? Let me try to remember. Let me check Skype so I don't totally mislead myself. It's gonna take forever. I don't have any more chat history. Oh yes, I do. Skype's just being terrible. It always is. Please, Skype. Alright, it's gonna take too long. What I need to do is, so there's this website that we download like information from, and it's gonna be like, you can essentially request it through the app. And so I'm not sure if it's like every half an hour, which I mean we kind of, I guess it kind of could be. I basically need to make something that recurs like every 30 minutes. But I can't have like the program restart every 30 minutes unless I have a separate program and this thing reads the file every 30 minutes. Check this could work. Flask. Recurring function call. No, not all the way up. Yeah, there we go. AP scheduler jobs. I initially preferred AP schedulers because it makes the whole system more easy to port since I don't need to set up cron jobs on a machine. So the polling function is below. It kind of works, but there's some trouble with it. For starters, this means that the interval jobs are running outside of class context. So when calling an endpoint fails, I want the system to send me an email saying, hey, calling API has failed because it doesn't run within the class context. Working outside of application context. Okay. So I essentially can't manage what he can manage. I wonder how this is going to behave when I don't use the Flask built-in debug server anymore, but a protection server would say, let's say 4 workers. Well, it's our job every 4 times then? It's every job 4 times then. All in all, I feel that there should be a better way of running these organized, but I'm not sure how. Does anybody out there have an interest in the solution problem? All teams are welcome. I mean, you know what Celery with its schedules, although I don't see how Celery is different. Maybe a schedule and whether we solve. Alright, let me figure out which one's better. Celery or... Well, that's a weird habit. Oh. Just fell off my head. Last commit 22 hours ago. Oh my god. Celery... Python 10 days, huh? Okay, that seems like a pretty big project. Advanced Python scheduler is, I don't know, he's showing me how to use it, so I could just do this. Check first API, check second API. Alright, hold on, I'm just gonna make a fake project and test that. Fake project. before first request. Wait, is that a Flask thing? Okay, so it's spelled right. Oh, wait, no module named app. I want a background scheduler, it seems like. Schedulers. Schedulers import a background scheduler. Right. Wait, does this work? No, that doesn't work. Background. Import back scheduler. Man, my wrist hurts so much. So I need a thread pool executor? What? Python AP scheduler. Interval job. Minute 10. What is my interval job? Wait, what? Whoa. How's this? That doesn't seem right. What is that? So I just add job. Actually, yeah, hold on. Much nicer for listening. I didn't do it. Oh wait, am I supposed to start afterwards? That didn't do anything. Is this supposed to be a blocking schedule? It's working! Okay, so I need a background scheduler. Yeah, I guess that'd work. I'd want that to be on a separate thread. Wait, so what does the background scheduler do that's different? Wait, so if I just said like time.sleep 10 seconds, is it gonna print out 5 times? Maybe? Background scheduler. That'd be pretty neat. Time.sleep not 5. That is how it works. I wonder if it prints out all 5 times. It does, yeah. And so if I tell it, like, only print out 9. Interesting. Okay. So let's get into the news. We're back. Click on the old menu. Install. learned how schedulers work. Control P. No. Alright, so, still don't know if you guys are correct. So I'm gonna wonder that. Actually, hold on. I'll just go through this. So this is so I want to keep this on hand because I'm probably gonna forget about this. So I'm gonna make a function that like allows me to do this. So this is a background. So I'm resolving and actually, I don't know how you would like AP scheduler stop scheduler stop block. How do you do that? Oh, that's weird. I would prefer not to have to do global kind of stuff if I had So it needs a reference to. That's kind of screwy. So this is a logic. Oh wait. This would need a reference to the scheduler. That's actually pretty screwy. Yeah. You would want like a wait until. Like in Selenium, there's a thing that's like wait until this element is displayed on the screen. and you would need something like this, like wait until this function returns something and then break out of start. I don't know if that's possible though. Maybe an event? Let me just GitHub. This will be easy to learn from. Maybe scheduler. Scheduler. Stuff under has exceptions. Job event. Where did the input that from? Job all. What does this mean? All underscore all. Where would the exceptions be? Oh. Interesting list. So I guess a trigger? Is the trigger? This hurts so bad. Oh, scrolling hurts. Oh. I mean, maybe I should just use salary. I don't know. So, where is schedulers blocking start? So, where is base schedule? Base. This is the long one. 1,000 fucking lines. And so the main loop. Where does it start actually running, Roger? So start is public. Okay. So all GitHub please get code folder. That'd be so cool if GitHub had like code folder. Like if I could just fold this function, it'd be super cool. I know that's probably super hard, but it'd be super cool. Friends, remove all jobs, remove job, get job. what I'm looking for. I'm trying to see. Is it, let's see. Get up, please. So schedulers and then base, right? And then not base, Bob. So I have a scheduler, blocking scheduler. I add a job, which is implemented in base, and then I call start. Start says pick a new event, which is from letting super blocking schedule dot start. So okay, so start returns, and then main loop. Wait second, current max, well state. Clear, self-cut process jobs. Okay, so it's like a queue of jobs that it's processing. First in, first out? Yeah. Yes. That's the key. So I'd have to throw something in there. I could just say self scheduler dot state equals state stopped. That's super crappy though. How do listeners work? Listeners. Oh, I guess it triggers. I don't know. Hello, listeners. Job stores. Regular. Case. Yes. Case is events. Scheduler. Job events. That's scheduler event. Scheduler event inherits from left. Code that noise. Not exactly. Okay. I'm never gonna say that, doesn't matter. How do you switch? Should I do that? Do up instead. Oh, that's in base fail. 330. Which is over. J result. Call back. Well, this turned into a lot more than I wanted it to be. I guess I'm just gonna use background tests. No way to wait. No way to escape without having reference. Scheduling. Yeah. This is nice. Okay, so but for future me, basically, I need it's I need to be able to essentially when I run, I guess. Oh, okay. Be right at the end of my init here. So this is where scheduling for updating database will be run. Hopefully no issues with race conditions locks. I don't think that would be a problem. Okay, yeah, so when I watch this later, the scheduler needs to run at the end. A background scheduler needs to run at the end. And that one, and so that scheduler's job should be I guess any function that will, or any routine that like updates will call the energize-ct API, download it, and then just store it in MySQL and make sure that just runs every for convenience. So I mean that's what is it? 30 minutes. So there's 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So 1800 seconds. Should run every 30 okay. So let's update this. So background scheduler. Start here. Minutes. So we got seconds. Equal 1800. Pause. Energize. CT update API. So store energize. Much better. Hopefully no issues with race conditions or locking. sounds better. Did I? What is? No. Good. Unversion files. Sure. Okay, is there anything else I need to remember? So, that's working. And then, once I have that working, which should be pretty simple, that's really it, besides making sure that I can get one to many SQL over here, SQL alchemy. Yeah, basically. Yeah, so it's over here, so another window. Then edit. Oh, okay, cool. That's neat. Many to one. I'll say one. So many. So a parent can have many children, but a child can have only one parent. Okay, so sorry, that was must have been obvious. Let's get this out, rip it out. Boom, Firefox. Cool. Alright, so we need a one-to-many relationship with I guess this a company has many contracts, but a contract only has one company. So it'd be a one-to-many, I guess. So this is all mapped, and it looks like contracts. So contracts, backref provider, yeah. What would this? Oh, why is my mouse suddenly fast? Weird. Did I get Skype message? No, I didn't. Okay, so in the parent, who has multiple, I need to say child ID. Okay, so it's gotta be, I guess, contract ID equals db.com, and what is it? Just another, db.foreign key, oops, be contract ID. I think that should be contract ID and contract. I mean, you're supposed to be able to have multiple many to one. right? It's one contract to one company, but a company can have many contracts. That's what this example should be showing, right? Why would you need a... Yeah, how does a many to one work? Oh, I guess I don't know. Many to one. I mean, I know, like, what it means, I think, but... Many readers live in one area, so one area has many readers, but... A reader only has one area? How do you design that? Oh wait, I think I'm gonna do the SO bang. This is just not related. I have nothing in there about exactly. Do quotes? It's a little bit better. One too many. Many too one. I guess it, what would you call that? Database relationships? Database table relationships. Okay, so one-to-one. Both tables can only have one record on either side of the relationship. Each primary key value relates to only one or no record in a related table. They are like spouses. You may or may not be married, but if you are, both you and your spouse have only one spouse. Okay, yeah. Interesting. Okay. One to many. The primary key table, which would be the primary key table. The primary key table or the primary key table? The primary key table contains only one record that relates to none, one, or many records in another table. So there's going to be only 95 records always in provider, but contract, okay, so contract, that table is going to be the one that has all the different rows, and then is it, that's maybe a back reference? Okay, so that's just a SQL Alchemy thing that lets me like do that nice querying. Yeah, so does anyone's gonna have like a bunch of rows for that, or what would that do? Oh, So inside of contract, I'd have parents, so provider, rather than any of that would be just provider, DB dot relationship with provider back populates equal current table subcontract. Okay. That makes sense. So then in the parent, it just doesn't make sense though, because you would, one parent can have many children. Oh, oh, oh my God! I've been thinking about this wrong. Yeah, okay, because one child, like biologically, can only have one parent. So you would, well, it's not even biologically, we're talking about like nodes or something. You can, a child can only have one parent, but a parent can have many children. Okay, so the ID should go here. ID, okay. Alright, this will make more sense. So this is a column. Oh, let me undo all this shit. Unnecessary. Gimme. Yeah. And then so that's provider ID. And then this is provider equal to db.relationship provider. Back populate equal to parents. Parents? Contracts? Yeah. Yeah, okay. And then in here, you would just say contract equal to relationship with parents. No. Contract? Yeah, I mean, obviously, but like, that, I don't need a background. I don't know what that does. Let me see what this stuff goes for. So, Python, SQL Alchemy, menu to 1. So this would be contract. Yeah. Keep it out relationship contract. Back populated. Child? Wait. So, contract equals relationship to contract. Back populates child, which is the current thing. Okay, so that's provider. Provider. So back populates provider. Lazy provider. And then in the parent, which is contract. Table name contract. Wait. Now I'm confused. This is so weird. So a child can have many parents? How do you a child can only have one parent. So why is this so difficult then? Oh my god. Right? A child can only have one parent. So no, parents. Parents. Is this trying to say that a parent can only have one child? This is such a bad example. This is so ambiguous. A parent can have more than one child, and a child can have two parents. I don't know what this means. This is not a... Is there in the chat? Anyone understand this? There's probably no one here. No one in the chat. Hey, there's one person in the chat. What's up, dude? What's up? Bobby CV? Bobby CV? I don't know. What's up, dude? I don't understand SQL alchemy. I'm about to go to sleep because I don't understand this. I do not like Googling or searching on Stack Overflow. So an item type can have many comments, but a item type comment can only have one item type that it's commented on. Oh man. Alright, so ID and name are irrelevant, and then we have comments. So comments equal relationship to item type comment. So that's not to say that like I can have many item type comments, right? One item type can have several item type comments. Okay, alright, so that's how you have to do it. So one company, I gotta read this above, scroll with me. One provider can have many contracts. So it just gotta be DB net relationship contract. Back populates provider. Lazy, I don't know what that does, but actually I'm just gonna remove it. I don't know what it does. Probably shouldn't be there. Now in item type comment, so in contract, now we have the item type ID, which is a column, integer, foreign key, whatever, nullable equal true. I don't want that. And then a relationship to item type. And the back populates contracts for some reason. So that's sort of good. God, this is where I have to go through. 3 a.m. Fuck. Alright. Put this back. Git status. Git add dot git co dash m. Untested many to one contract. Provider. Untested 1-to-1 contract person. What else did I do? Oh, config file. Config .py plus SQLite3 app db for simple testing. Then move to MySQL. Boom. Alright. So it is committed. I don't need this. This was super helpful. This should be somewhere in the code right here. Right next to the DB drop all. I'm gonna make note of this. Remove in production, obviously. Oh, whoops. What's on? Oh, caps lock is on. Moves right between here. I'll notice it. Probably. Hopefully. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Let's just make a big warning here. Okay, we'll miss it. Hit status hit added URL describing relationships, types, and people alchemy, move and production. Cool. Alright. Okay, time to go to bed. Thank you for watching, everyone. All one person. I'm very happy that you're here to experience this achievement with me. Okay. Thank you for watching. Good night. Good night, everyone.